Howdy! If superheroes are mixer truck, then how they look like, let's watch together, and don't forget to subscribe. Wonder Woman transformation super mixer truck. Then Grimm transformation super mixer truck. Green Lantern transformation super mixer truck. Thanos transformation super mixer truck. Carnage transformation super mixer truck. Iron Man transformation super mixer truck. Captain America transformation super mixer truck. Thor transformation super mixer truck. Spider-Man transformation super mixer truck. Aquaman transformation super mixer truck. Hulk transformation super mixer truck. Batman transformation super mixer truck. Joker transformation super mixer truck. Venom transformation super mixer truck. Wolverine transformation super mixer truck. The Flash transformation super mixer truck. Vision transformation super mixer truck. Superman transformation super mixer truck. Doctor Doom transformation super mixer truck. Doctor Strange transformation super mixer truck. Black Adam transformation super mixer truck. Ant-Man transformation super mixer truck. Scarlet Witch transformation super mixer truck. Black Widow transformation super mixer truck. Shazam transformation super mixer truck. Black Panther transformation super mixer truck. Deadpool transformation super mixer truck. Groot transformation super mixer truck. Which other transformations would you like to see? Share your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.